Is it kind of fluffy? Is that deep snow?
It's deep snow.
You gonna get in the sled?
Yes.
Crash.
I'm in.
You gonna make a snow angel?
Yes. It's hard to get up.
Hard to get up? There you go.
Look at it.
That's a lot of snow.
I make some footprints.
You're making big footprints, huh? So it's up to your knees, isn't it?
Where my knees, where my foot go, and my foot go, where my boots go.
Your boots in the snow?
I'm gonna go on the sled.
You wanna go get in the sled? Okay, go get in it. Daddy will pull you. Hey, Daddy's coming over. Look here and smile. Hey, Abby, look at Daddy. Wave. Alright, I guess I gotta go get Poland, huh? You stuck? There you go.
Want to take a ride?
Want to take a ride? Okay, let me get a picture.